Elon Musk just officially revealed Tesla's insane new tiny house for sustainable living. In the social media community, there has been a lot of speculation about Elon Musk's housing situation, but the billionaire just announced where he actually lives right now. The announcement was made shortly after he moved from California to Texas himself and announced that Tesla would also be moving its headquarters from Palo Alto, California to Austin, Texas. In order to achieve the incredible plan to colonize Mars, the billionaire must go above and beyond what is required. And it also means that you have to sell a multi-million-dollar property portfolio and live in a rented home that was built for just $50,000 in order to start from scratch. A house that is so small and lightweight that his own Tesla is able to tow it around, no semi-truck trailers needed. Want to know about it? Then hold your screens tightly and watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome to Elon Musk Planet. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to never miss out on any news or updates on Tesla, its different projects, or anything else related to billionaire Elon Musk. And today, we are going to talk about the billionaire, entrepreneur, philanthropist, and most importantly, a visionary human being, Mr. Elon Musk's crib, which would definitely surprise you. So without further ado, let's begin. In a number of media reports, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, was reported to have moved into a 20 by 20 prefabricated tiny house in about 400 square feet manufactured by Boxable, a company that sells boxed houses that can be shipped anywhere in the world, unfolded, and assembled in a matter of days. It was reported by Boxable in an October blog post that Elon Musk's tiny house is a Boxable casita. A Boxable casita is touted to be an energy-efficient studio apartment in a box. According to the company, the space fits a kitchen, bathroom, living room, and bedroom, and the house comes with modern utilities like a Ridge, dishwasher, oven, microwave, built-in ironing center, all of which are built to be energy efficient for lower utility bills. However, it is constructed using steel, concrete, foam insulation, and laminated paneling instead of the classic lumber, hammer, and nails construction method. This makes it strong enough to withstand hurricane winds, mold-resistant, and flood and snow tolerant. Almost all of Casita's finishes, such as electrical, plumbing, and HVAC, are completed in the factory before it's shipped, so when it arrives at its destination, the home only needs to be unfolded and attached to its foundation and utilities. But you might be thinking that why would Musk live in such a small house by sacrificing the lavish and comfort in those million-dollar worth mansions? Well, the answer is pretty simple. Musk is not materialistic. And in fact, he works hard and does overnights while making any projects that he even sleeps in the factory.
How much do you sleep?
About 6 hours.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah, it's not that crazy.
For you, for someone who does as much as you, that's impressive that you can squeeze that in.
Yeah. I've tried sleeping less, but then total productivity decreases.
Yeah. So you feel like 6 is the number where it's...
Yeah, six is, I don't find myself wanting more sleep than 6.
Where do you sleep tonight?
Tonight's in the factory.
In the factory, not in a hotel.
Well, technically in a conference room in the factory, but yeah.
You sleep in a conference room in the not finished factory tonight?
Yeah, it gives me a good feel for what's going on.
Alone or?
Yeah, I assume so. Is this an invitation? Yeah.
Okay.
So going to his house takes much more time than testing anything he is making in the factories. That's why he sold his house, to not only save his money but also time, and also the fact that he is not materialistic.
Now, you're in the middle of this this strange time where you're selling your houses. You say you don't want any material possessions, and I've been seeing all that, and I've been really excited to talk to you about this.
Yeah.
Because it's an interesting thing to come from a guy like yourself. Like, why are you doing that?
I'm slightly sad about it, actually. But
Well, if you're sad about it, why are you doing it?
I think possessions kind of weigh you down. They're kind of an attack vector. You know, people say, "Hey, billionaire, you got all this stuff." Like, well, now I don't have stuff. Now what are you gonna do?
Attack vector meaning like people target it.
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah. But you're obviously you're gonna rent a place?
Yeah.
Okay. And get rid of everything except clothes?
No, I said like almost everything. So it's like
Keep a couple Teslas.
Yeah, sure. Obviously,
You have
Tesla kind of have to
Yeah.
test the product and stuff. Yeah, there's things that have sentimental value for sure. Keeping those, Yeah.
So do you feel like
I mean,
there's
what's the worst that could happen? I mean, be fine.
yeah, you could always buy more stuff if you don't like it.
Suppose so.
Yeah, I mean, from the money that you sell all your stuff, you could buy new stuff. But do you feel like people define you by the fact that you're wealthy, and that they define you in a pejorative way?
For sure. I mean, not everyone, but
Right.
there's for sure in recent years, billionaire has become a pejorative. Like it's a pejorative. It's like that's a bad thing. Which I think doesn't make a lot of sense in most cases. If you basically organized a company, how does this wealth arise? It's if you organize people in a better way to produce products and services that are better than what existed before, and you have some ownership in that company, then that essentially gives you the right to allocate more capital.
He also tweeted about it. However, Musk put an end to rumors recently by confirming that he does not live in a boxable. He tweeted, "I've actually been living in a $50K house in South Texas for the past 2 years. Not boxable, cool product though," and added, "Feels more homey to live in a small house." And as a response to his tweet, Boxable used a smiley face emoji and folded hands emoji to show their appreciation. Business Insider previously reported that Musk owned at least 4 properties worth over $70 million throughout the Los Angeles area. And like many ultra-wealthy Americans, he's recently listed some property for sale, like the spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bath home facing LA he bought in 2013 for his ex-wife, Tallulah Riley. Musk bought his first Bel Air property in late 2012. He began renting the house in 2010 and lived there with his 5 sons. Later, he bought the mansion for $17 million. The house features 20,248 square feet of space divided into different wings with 7 bedrooms. The kitchen has a brick ceiling, a pool, tennis court, and a view of the exclusive Bel Air Country Club are in the backyard. The house also has a gym and a wine cellar. Musk purchased the ranch house across the street from the mansion for $6.75 million in October 2013. It was the home of actor Gene Wilder for 30 years until 2007. According to Variety, Musk uses the house as a private school for his children. In 2015, the billionaire CEO described it as being like a little schoolhouse on a prairie, except in Bel Air on a golf course. Also owned by Musk was this boomerang-shaped house in Brentwood, California, about 15 miles northwest of downtown LA. Apparently, he paid just under $3.7 million for it in 2014, according to Variety-owned real estate site Dirt. It is surrounded by privacy hedges for security, but has plenty of floor-to-ceiling windows to let in the light. The house was sold for $4 million in August 2019. Musk purchased another Bel Air mansion in 2016 for $24.25 million while it was still under construction, Variety reported that year. And it appears that Musk does not own a house near the Tesla factory in Fremont, California. So now he is renting houses to live near his factories just to save time and money. But what do you people think of Musk's idea of living homeless apart from being a billionaire? Tell us in the comments. Also, like the video and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon because we will bring more such content real soon. And that's us signing off. We'll meet you at the next one. Until then, peace.